Hello, I've been tasked with sharing our flagship product, the Business Exploration Plan, in 1 minute or less. We're planning on using this program to create an app that's much easier to fill out than this Google document. It has 6 sections, which the first section is the customer journey map. This customer journey map is broken down into 3 sections: the referring customer, customer who refers you, an intermediate customer, an intimate customer, customer who buys from you repeatedly, and a new customer, where we discuss their pains, how to solve it, and the next steps is usually how to advance to the next stage. Um, Next section is the internal business review. So this is a table in our app. It would interview the customer, interview the user, and get their 3 core products and services, the key personnel who create these products and services for them, and the key tool or software that they use to create the core service. And finally, since this is customer service and customer centric, how each of these things serve the customer. Next is the competency assessment, where we have an exhaustive list of skills of how to develop your core products and services. We sort them into strengths and weaknesses, where the strengths are services that you're passionate about doing, that you want to do yourself, and weaknesses are basically skills and things that you do not want to do and you will hire somebody else to do it. And again, since this is a customer centric program, their relation to the customer pain. Next is professional goals, and this section is to investigate and devolve and think about and discuss the the uh, the CEO and the owner's professional goals. So what you're trying to achieve in 3 years, how to achieve it, and then next steps. And we take all those things and we create a mission statement. And this section is really important because if your business is not aligned with what you're trying to do professionally, then you should not be trying to do that business. And then finally, once we complete your mission statement, we do possible hiring choices. So these possible hiring choices are informed by your mission statement, because anytime you create a business or a business position or a position in your business, it should be mission aligned with your business. It's similar with partnerships as well, since this is also used to determine who you should partner with, like a 1099 or something, 1099 consultant or some professional. So you would use this to determine who that person looks like, what they're good at, and how much you should pay them. Where this is where this website comes in. So ONET Online is a repository of different professions, different positions, and how much they get paid, and most importantly, what skills they need to deliver the things that they deliver. And we want to include that as an API or as an attached database, so that as the person is being interviewed, or going through the app themselves, they can do research and get data and information directly from this database. So again, my name is Ronnie Sumler. You can find this for free at www.digitaldandelions.com. And thank you for your time.